Page 29, Bumpy Streets. Here we're getting a little more involved. They're mixing the rests up. We got quarter rests and half rests both in here, so we have to be careful on that. So let's go through our routine for learning, or my routine for learning a piece of music. I see it's one line long, treble and bass clef, 4/4 time signature. I see quarter notes and quarter rests and half rests in here. That's it. The hands sometimes are, let's take it one hand at a time here. Make sure we understand what each hand is doing. The right hand, you're starting third finger here, that puts the hand here. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm just playing, I'm just counting along and playing whatever the music says. In the left hand, it's thumb here, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Again, okay. Then I try putting the hands together to see what happens. Well, it's here. We're still in middle C position. So it's 1, 2, 3. Those are together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now they're both quiet for 2 counts, and then it continues. 1. You get the idea? So whatever the music says, I'm just following along and doing it. Then go back through it however many times it takes and get rid of any hesitations you have. And also, like everything else in here, you need to be playing this without looking at the keyboard, where you can feel this, what's going on. Keep your eyes on the music. Then once I have that, I think about the interpretation. Well, the natural accents. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. See, in the second measure, the first beat is a little stronger than the second. So it's 1, 2. That's what we want to feel. So I add the natural accents. The phrasing is built in. The music provides it for us. Because it's like the half rest. Well, that's between phrases. So they're telling you to be quiet. And then stop, be quiet, and then go on. And you do the second phrase. So the phrasing is built in. A lot of music does that. They give you a rest where the phrase ends, but they didn't have to. If they had notes in there, whatever, it would still lift up like the end of a phrase. Let's play this together slowly and double check the notes and the rhythms. I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. 3, 4. 3, 4, off.